in the park. Can you describe a park you often visit? What's this? What are these? What are things you must and mustn't do in the park? On Saturn, with the magnifier, welcome to SaturNifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. This is a beautiful park. Look at the flowers. Look at the trees. The grass. Walking on the grass. They're walking on the grass? What? You mustn't walk on the grass. You must walk on the path. They're walking on the path. This dog is running on the path. And this dog is sitting by the fountain. It's a fountain. These kids are playing in the fountain. You mustn't play in the fountain. You must play in the playground. They are playing in the playground. She's playing on the swing. He is playing on the slide. And she's... Do not pick the flowers. You mustn't pick the flowers. Look at these beautiful flowers. There are orange flowers. There are pink flowers. There are tall trees. Hey, are you in the tree? Are you climbing the trees? You mustn't climb the trees. You mustn't sit up there. You must sit on the bench. Bench. Sit on the bench. They're sitting on the bench. And please, do not drop litter. Look, the ground is covered in litter. Let's throw away the trash. We must put litter in the garbage can. We must put litter in the garbage can. Now it's time to make sentences. Are you ready? Here we go. We must walk on the path. We mustn't walk on the grass. We must sit on the bench. We mustn't climb the trees. We must play in the playground. We mustn't play in the fountain. We must put litter in the garbage can. We mustn't pick the flowers. Well done, everyone! Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.